Hi, today we're going to be talking about when is a good time to start paying your mortgage down aggressively. Hi, Chad Hauer here with the Hauer Real Estate Group at Keller Williams, and I wanted to let you know about today a question I get a lot, which is when should I aggressively start paying down my mortgage? But first, before we go into that, I want to draw your attention to two important links here on this blog. First, if you're considering selling your home, go ahead and click the button that says Value of My Home. If you're a buyer, you can also click the button that allows you to search for homes on my website here. Now let's jump into the topic. A common question that I get is when is the right time to start aggressively paying down my mortgage? That's a great question, and I love that people are asking that question, and I want to give you some input on that if it's something that you've been contemplating. There's a big difference between mortgage debt and other debts. Mortgage debt is what I would consider a good debt in most cases. Pretty much every other debt is a bad debt, to simplify things. So when we're looking at things like credit card debt, that's definitely a bad debt. I would put your money towards paying off any credit card debt before paying down your mortgage aggressively. Additionally, things like a car loan, if you have any student loans, pay down those student loans. Pretty much any type of loan that's not related to your mortgage, especially if it's higher interest, it makes sense to start paying that down first. Additionally, I would recommend setting some money aside for an emergency fund. That's really important to have because as you own a home, you're bound to have unexpected things take place. That's just part of home ownership. So make sure that you have that available and don't spend it all on trying to aggressively pay your mortgage down and then not have that cushion when a need arises. So Dave Ramsey's actually a big advocate. He talks about the emergency fund, and I'd be happy to get you one of his books. Let me know. Dave he hosts a radio show and a great financial advisor, all about being debt-free. So in addition to that, there's a number of different things, funding your retirement, funding kids' college plan, things like that I would take into consideration prior to necessarily paying down your mortgage aggressively. So let's certainly discuss that further. I'd be happy to talk to you on a one-on-one basis if that's a question that you're wondering about. Everyone has a different circumstance, and I don't think there's necessarily one right way. The important thing is that you figure out a strategy that works for you and go all in with it and really attack it. And I've got some great people that I'd be more than happy to get you connected with on when it comes to the mortgage lending side, to talk to an expert that really can have a good comprehensive conversation with you about that, as well as financial planners, and then myself, obviously, through the whole process to make sure that you come up with a good customized plan that works for you and you can move forward with confidence. All right, so let's put your money to work for you, and don't hesitate to call me if you have any questions. Have a great day.